Grocery shopping. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something we all do from time to time. Grocery shopping. Some people love grocery shopping. They enjoy looking at fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, and new products. Others think it is just another chore. No matter how we feel about it, grocery shopping is an important part of our lives. I usually go grocery shopping once a week. Before I leave the house, I make a shopping list. I check my kitchen and see what I need. Do I have enough rice? Is there any milk left? Do I need eggs, bread, or vegetables? Making a list is very helpful. Saves time. Helps me remember everything I need. And it stops me from buying things I don't really need. After making my list, I take my shopping bag and head to the supermarket. As soon as I walk in, I notice how bright and colorful everything looks. The fruit and vegetable section is usually the first thing I see. There are red apples, yellow bananas, green cucumbers, orange carrots, and many other fresh foods. I enjoy choosing fresh fruits and vegetables. I always look for the best ones. I check if they are fresh and in good condition. After that, I move to the dairy section. I pick up milk, yogurt, butter, and sometimes cheese. Then I visit the bakery. The smell of fresh bread is wonderful. It is one of my favorite parts of the supermarket. Sometimes I buy a loaf of bread, and sometimes I can't resist buying a few delicious cookies. Next, I walk through the other aisles. I buy rice, pasta, cooking oil, spices, tea, coffee, and other everyday items. Sometimes I compare different brands before making a choice. I also look at the prices to make sure I stay within my budget. One thing I have learned is that supermarkets are full of tempting products. There are chocolates, chips, soft drinks, and many snacks. Sometimes I want to buy everything. But then I remember my shopping list and I try to stick to it. Of course, I still treat myself once in a while. After all, a little chocolate now and then can make the shopping trip even more enjoyable. Another thing I enjoy is finding special discounts. When I see a good sale on something I already need, it feels like a small victory. Saving money while buying useful things always makes me happy. The supermarket can be very busy, especially on weekends. Families shop together. Children sit in shopping carts. People carefully compare products and read food labels. Sometimes there are long lines at the checkout, but I try to be patient. Waiting in line gives me a chance to look around and think about what I'm going to cook. Finally, it's time to pay. I place my groceries on the counter. The cashier scans each item. I pack everything into my shopping bags. Then I head home with my groceries. When I get home, I don't simply leave the bags on the floor. First, I put everything away. Fresh vegetables go into the refrigerator. Rice and pasta go into the kitchen cupboard. Frozen food goes into the freezer. Keeping everything organized makes cooking much easier later. One thing I enjoy after grocery shopping is planning my meals. When my kitchen is full of fresh ingredients, I feel excited to cook something healthy and delicious. Grocery shopping has also taught me an important lesson. Good shopping is not about buying the most expensive products. It is about buying what you truly need. Planning ahead helps save money, reduce food waste, and make healthier choices. Over time, grocery shopping has become easier. I know which products I like. I know where everything is in the store. And I have learned how to shop quickly without forgetting anything important. Although grocery shopping is a simple activity, it is an important part of everyday life. It helps us take care of ourselves and our families. Teaches us to plan ahead. Helps us manage our money wisely. And sometimes it can even be fun. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How often do you go grocery shopping? Do you make a shopping list before you go? Do you prefer shopping at a supermarket or a local market? What is the first thing you usually buy? And what is one snack you can never resist adding to your shopping cart? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. I wish you happy shopping, healthy meals, and a wonderful day. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye.